what the Kanban workshop enables you to do is to enhance your knowledge of Kanban and go beyond thinking a Kanban method or a Kanban system is about post-its and boards. And then what the workshop does, it also allows you to collaborate with your peers. Ideally, you're working within a team within your organization and you're working together. Now, if that's not the case and it's more of a public workshop, you get the opportunity to network with others who may have similar needs and challenges within their organization. So the workshop allows you to understand the principles of a Kanban system and the practices of a Kanban method and see how they can help you visualize your work and improve the system of work that you have. It is highly immersive, and practically oriented. So you get the theory, but you actually practice the theory within the workshop and you learn. So within Value Glide, we provide the Kanban systems design workshop, which is about understanding how a single Kanban system works. What are the things that you need to consider when you design it? How do you go about identifying the workflow? What are the options you have for visualizing the work and how best to go about those? What other information you need to build a better visual management system? And then go through scenarios of your work and actually build it. Say, okay, let's look at that. How does that work? How does that, how did that improve and how did that not improve so much? And then we also have the Kanban systems improvement workshop, where you're now looking at Kanban of Kanbans. So you're looking at multiple Kanban systems and you're looking at how do we improve that end-to-end system of Kanbans? How do we design them? And what sort of system do we have? Sometimes you have chains. So you've got teams that work together. Sometimes you've got hierarchies, and that depends on your context and what you want to achieve. And again, that's what we do with the workshop. We go through it. You may have from a hierarchical layer, typically organizations have a portfolio layer, which is, as the name suggests, portfolio of work we want to do. We have a coordination layer where we want to coordinate teams of agile teams, and then we've got a delivery at a team level where we're delivering the team. So we can go through how those Kanban systems work, how do they interact with each other, and what are the techniques and tools and theory that you need to understand in order to be able to guide the organization and the teams that you're working with to get the most effective solution for your organization. Now, the other thing to if you like, emphasize in here, that this is an evolutionary way of doing it. So it's not about we're going to spend months to come up with the best Kanban system implementation for your organization. No, you spend a bit of time to understand the workflow, and then you implement your Kanban system, and then you evolve that Kanban system of, Kanban of Kanbans as you see it working in practice in your organization and through the signals that you get from your Kanban system. So that's what you get by attending Kanban workshop.